Chicagoland Hydrographics here. We have a new product. It's heat changing paint. As you can see here, I have an orange valve cover. I'm going to apply hot water to it at around 75-80 degrees. The orange disappears and we now see the white base color with a leopard pattern. I'm going to turn it back to cold. And it goes back to orange. Can be used on valve covers, brake calipers. We'll see what else we can come up with as far as what uses we can do. I'm going to go back to hot and watch the orange just disappear down to the white. Comes in black, yellow, blue, orange, green, and any base color and any pattern. Back to cold. Thanks for watching Chicagoland Hydrographics.